Welcome to myprojectpasa.com. The title is Intrusion Detection Using NAVIE BAYES Classifier with Feature Reductions. Go to Abstract. The purpose of this study is to identify important reduce input features in building ideas that is computationally efficient and effective. For this, we investigate the performance of three standard feature selections method using correlation-based feature selections, information gain, and gain ratio. NSL KDD dataset to detect attacks on the four attack categories: SPROO, DOS, U2R, R2L. SPROO is a information gathering, DOS is a denial of service, U2R is a user to root, and R2L is a remote to local. A constantly updated database is usually used to store the signatures of known attacks, and then it cannot detect new attacks until tried for them. Anomaly detections attempt to identify behavior that does not conform to normal behavior. This technique is based on the detections of traffic anomalies. There are two common approaches for feature reductions. A wrapper uses the intent learning algorithm itself to evaluate the usefulness of features, while filter evaluates features according to heuristics based on general characteristics of data. Project of flow is user collected dataset. The dataset name is KDD. Dataset is also a collection of data. Redundant data has been removed. Pre-processing the data and update to the functional dependencies. Two algorithms used in these projects. One is NAVIE BAYES classifications. Another one is FVBRM and attack reductions of this FVBRM, and finally reductions of the features. Let us see the demo and go to get data and select this dataset. The dataset name is training KDD dataset. There are two datasets are used in these projects. One is training KDD dataset, another one is testing dataset. First open this training KDD dataset. Open this dataset and dataset loader into database. View this data and go to next and get raw data and pre-processing. Pre-processing is a try to avoid the redundancies, and after pre-processed data go to next and select the second dataset. The dataset name is testing KDD dataset. All datasets are stored into database. The project backend is MySQL warm server. And view this data. There are 42 fields are there. Go to next. Get raw data and same process. Pre-processing the data. After pre-process, go to next. There are two datasets are used in these conversions. One is symbolic data, another one is numerical data. Symbolic data means get all symbolic attributes. There are three symbolic data are used in this conversions. One is protocol type, another one is service, and then flag. For protocol type is I will select the attributes and values, and service types, and flag for the symbolic data. After that, numeric data. Numerical data means a symbolic data to convert it into numerical conversion data. View this numerical data and go to next. Get attributes for normalization details. One is attributes and max-min, another one is normalizations. First one is get attributes. The attributes due to normalizations View these attributes. One is source, another one is destination byte, and go to maximum. This one is maximum values. Left side is minimum value of details, right side is maximum value of details. Get the minimum values. The minimum value is source bytes and destination bytes also 0, and maximum value is the source byte is 986, destination bytes is high, and third one is normalizations. To apply the normalization, use these normalizations, a source byte and source byte normalizations, destination byte and destination byte normalizations, and go to update or view. Update the normalized data. View the normalized data. Totally 42 fields are used in this normalizations. Go to next. Finally, feature reductions of KDD. Feature reduction successful, and go to next. It's also a normal profile generations on distance. Generating a profile. Generating profile data are loaded, and go to normal profile generations. Only select the 6 fields and attack reductions for this normal profile generations, and calculate the threshold values. Selections of threshold value is 1.0. Analyze the data and update the data. Data has been loaded, and view these data fields and reductions for attack. Go to reduction. Attack one is reductions for this data. Attacks detected for only 2 fields, yes move and teardrops, and the evaluations of the graph. This is a attack detections graph. It's also a proposed. Green is existing, and normalized and non-normalized fields in x-axis. Y-axis is totally existing proposed values. Thank you.